and welcome back to a brand new episode of your favorite show, Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं Manish and I'm here with all the latest news, views and updates from the world of Bollywood and social media. Before we kickstart the show, I do have to remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities. And on that note, here are our top stories. Has Shah Rukh Khan started filming for Pathaan at YRF Studios? Nora Fatehi has a new work-life anthem, Pack Up. Neha and Rohan Preet's honeymoon is both exotic and expensive. Shah Rukh Khan, Salman and Amir all set to appear in Lal Singh Chaddha together. Rakul Preet Singh joins Ajay Devgan and Amitabh Bachchan in May Day.
कोई भी धंधा छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता और धंधे से बड़ा कोई धन नहीं होता।
अबे तो जल्दी से पिक्चर चालू करना है, धंधा कर रहा है, कुछ कर नहीं रहा।
Shah Rukh Khan has resumed work after an almost 2-year break from the big screen. The Badshah of Bollywood was spotted at Yash Raj Studios in Mumbai, sporting his new look, and it seems he has started filming for the highly anticipated Pathaan. Shah Rukh Khan has been on a self-imposed sabbatical after his last film Zero received an equal number of good reviews. Shah Rukh reportedly wanted to take time off for some introspection and to make very careful choices about his future projects. Thanks to the pandemic and the lockdown, that sabbatical has extended into almost 2 years away from the big screen. लेकिन अब लगता है किंग खान फिर से एक्टिंग के मैदान में उतरने के लिए तैयार है. Check it out. Shah Rukh Khan, who has been one of Bollywood's most popular stars for several decades, has been going through a rough patch in his career for the past couple of years, with his films failing to create magic at the box office. Fan, Raiz, and then Zero all tanked at the box office, while other movies like Happy New Year and Chennai Express were criticized for the loud humor and poor writing. Zero especially was a highly anticipated film that also had big stars like Anushka and Katrina, but still flopped badly at the box office. After facing huge financial losses and criticism for his poor choice of films, SRK ने फिल्मों से sabbatical लेने का फैसला ले लिया and focused on his production house instead. Even while he was on a sabbatical, there has been constant speculations about which film Shah Rukh Khan will do next. उनके fans भी यही जानने के लिए eager थे कि आखिर किंग खान कौन से कैरेक्टर में उन्हें ऑन स्क्रीन दिखेंगे. अब लगता है SRK अपने फैंस की ख्वाहिश बहुत जल्द पूरी करने वाले हैं. The actor, who has been reportedly signed for a film with Yash Raj Films titled Pathaan, was spotted outside Yash Raj Studios sporting his new look with long hair. Sources reveal that SRK has started filming for Pathaan, and the actor is super excited about the new film that also reportedly has Deepika and John Abraham in it. SRK को paparazzi ने दूर से spot किया, and the actor was wearing dark glasses and had left his long hair open as he walked back onto set after 2 long years. Shah Rukh Khan has begun filming for Pathaan at Mumbai's Yash Raj Studios. The whole team is very excited to see King Khan back in action. SRK himself is kicked about the film and his role in the film. He has come fully prepared and is looking forward to shooting this film. The source added while speaking to a publication. All the best, SRK, and we can't wait to see you back on screen again. It's been really very long for all your fans. Nora Fatehi is basking in the success of the music video Nach Meri Rani, but it looks like the long hours spent shooting for the video inspired her to create a whole new anthem which she has shared on her vlog. It's rather suitably titled Pack Up. Nora Fatehi enjoys a huge fan following and has enamored many with her stunning good looks and fabulous dancing skills. Nora, who has been seen in songs like Dilbar, Kamariya, Osaki Saki and Garmi, recently collaborated with Guru Randhawa on his new song Nach Meri Rani. The song was launched with great fanfare and had a cool sci-fi inspired video that saw Nora stealing the show with some fabulous dance moves. Here's the story. Nora, who has become popular in a short period of time thanks to her flawless good looks and great dancing skills, is also immensely popular on social media, where she frequently shares updates and some absolutely stunning photographs of herself. Nora, who is now the first choice when it comes to dance numbers and item songs in Bollywood films, has also been a part of many music videos which are becoming popular again thanks to streaming channels and social media platforms. She was also a part of a film Street Dancer 3 and will soon be a part of a film featuring Ajay Devgan. Nora has now shared some funny moments from the shoot of the song Nach Meri Rani, which seems to have been long and tiring. Nach Meri Rani को कंप्लीट करते करते नोरा को एक नए गाने की इंस्पिरेशन मिल गई and she has decided to call it Pack Up. Nora shared a clip from her new vlog where she has added the words pack up with a catchy tune and graphics and also used some behind the scenes shots जहां वो खुद pack up करने की request कर रही हैं. The stunner captioned her post, "Long shoot hours got me busting a new anthem. Pack up." Nora की खूबसूरती के कई लोग दीवाने हैं and when she shared a boomerang video on her social media page recently where she looks stunning in a blue outfit by the beachside at sunset, it sent social media into a frenzy. "Sunset on the beach is all I want with you," Nora captioned the post, and we wonder if this wish was meant for someone special. She also shared some breathtaking pictures of herself in traditional Indian clothes and jewelry for Diwali recently, और नोरा के चमक 100 दियों से भी ज्यादा रोशन थी. Here's hoping we get to see Nora on screen really soon because we can't wait for her to take our breath away yet again. We can't keep calm क्योंकि Aamir, Shah Rukh and Salman may all soon be in one film. That's right. करोड़ों बॉलीवुड फैंस का सपना बहुत जल्द सच होगा जब शाहरुख और सलमान दिखेंगे आमिर के फिल्म लाल सिंह चड्ढा में. According to reports, the two superstars are all set to reprise their roles as Prem and Raj in Aamir's much-awaited film. Aamir, Salman and Shah Rukh have been the Khan Trimurti ruling Bollywood for decades now. While the three have had their share of ups and downs and went through spells of not talking to each other, it seems like all is finally well in this Khandan. Salman and Shah Rukh have been making frequent cameo appearances in each other's films over the past few years, but now it looks like the two are all set to include Aamir Khan into their cameo camaraderie as well. Check it out. Aamir, Salman and Shah Rukh have taken three completely different career paths in spite of starting their careers in the same decade. While Shah Rukh became popular as a romantic hero, Salman is now firmly on a path of mainstream masala films. Aamir likes to balance mainstream and offbeat films and often acts in socially relevant films. The three have also had a long-standing equation of both rivalry and respect. And while there have been fights and misunderstandings in the past, it seems like the three have now made their peace with each other. It's no surprise then that Salman and Shah Rukh frequently make special appearances in each other's films as a goodwill gesture. Shah Rukh Khan was seen in Salman's film Tube Light while Salman played himself in a song sequence in Zero where he and Shah Rukh danced together for an important sequence in the film. But now, for the first time, all three stars will be seen together in one film when Shah Rukh and Salman reprise their iconic characters of Raj Malhotra and Prem in Aamir Khan's film Lal Singh Chaddha. That's right, Shah Rukh and Salman will be in throwback mode and journeying back to the 90s and late 80s, where Aamir's character will bump into them as young stars. Shah Rukh has reportedly shot his cameo appearance before he left for Dubai to attend a cricket tournament, and using prosthetics and special effects, the makers will transport us and the actor back to the 90s, where he will appear as his character Raj Malhotra from DDLJ. Lal Singh Chaddha, which is an adaptation of Forrest Gump, will see Aamir's character be a part of several iconic moments in history. और makers को लगा कि 90s का सफर शाहरुख खान के बिना अधूरा होगा, given how hugely popular he became in that decade. Sources के मुताबिक Aamir's character will accidentally meet Shah Rukh Khan's Raj on the sets of DDLJ, which released in 1995. Salman is yet to shoot his cameo and is reportedly in discussions with the Lal Singh Chaddha team about it. A source added, his Prem wooed the audiences in the 90s from Maine Pyar Kiya, Hum Aapke Hain Kaun to Hum Saath Saath Hain. And Aamir is keen to get Salman back as Prem in this social dramedy. Lal Singh Chaddha also stars Kareena Kapoor Khan, who has incidentally worked with all three Khans in separate films, and safe to say, we can't wait for this film to release so we can finally see all the three Khans in one big blockbuster. सलमान खान के होस्ट किए गए रियलिटी शो में तनाव का माहौल बना रहा, with fights and misunderstandings intensifying between contestants. Jan and Ejaz Khan have had a falling out over the captaincy and ended their friendship.
The drama is never in shortage on the reality show hosted by Salman Khan. दोस्ती ओवरनाइट दुश्मनी में बदल जाती है तो कभी दुश्मन अपने अपने मतलब के लिए दोस्ती कर लेते हैं. It's a game of manipulation and mind games, and it seems like in the 14th season as well, friendships and fortunes seem to change very quickly on this show.
प्रॉब्लम तब शुरू हुई थी जब रुबीना दिलक और राहुल वैद्य कैप्टनसी टास्क का विनर डिसाइड नहीं कर पाए. As per a new announcement, सिर्फ वही लोग कैप्टनसी के लिए compete कर सकते हैं जो पहले कैप्टन रह चुके हैं. In a task related to getting the captaincy, some contestants were asked to stay inside a box while others had to force them to come out so that they could be eliminated from being in the captaincy race. जब जान लोगों को निकालने की कोशिश करने लगे तो रुबीना intervened and this led to a shouting match between the two. Jan then accused Ejaz as well of trying to ruin his chances in spite of him always thinking of Ejaz as an older brother. बात इतनी बिगड़ गई कि finally Jan broke down into tears and ended his friendship with Ejaz. Whether they can sort out their differences remains to be seen in the upcoming episodes. पर जहां एक तरफ दोस्ती का रिश्ता टूट गया, वहीं दूसरी तरफ राहुल वैद्य और जैस्मिन शादी और उसके इम्पोर्टेंस को डिस्कस करते हुए दिखे. Rahul, who recently proposed to his girlfriend, is overheard telling Jasmine that his attitude to marriage has changed over the years, but he fears that it may be a dying institution. जैस्मिन ने भी अपना ओपिनियन देते हुए कहा कि फिलहाल उन्हें मैरिज बोरिंग लगता है, बट इफ शी फाइंड्स अ सूटेबल पार्टनर शी मे कंसिडर इट. वेल, एली तो वही है जैस्मिन, सो मे बी यू कैन स्टार्ट कंसिडरिंग राइट अवे. It seems like this season is going to be loaded with plenty of twists and turns, and audiences can't help but being totally hooked. Rakulpreet Singh can't help but be super excited because the talented young actor is all set to work with Amitabh Bachchan and Ajay Devgan in the film Mayday, which will be directed by Ajay as well.
Rakulpreet Singh has been slowly and surely taking steps forward in Bollywood, and the actor, who is hugely successful in Tamil and Telugu cinema, seems to finally be getting good opportunities in Hindi films as well. Here's the entire story.
Rakul, who has acted in several southern language films, has managed to make a mark in Bollywood as well. She has also worked opposite Ajay in De De Pyar De. And now with Mayday, she will not only be acting opposite Ajay again, but will also be directed by him. Ajay and Rakul Mayday में pilots की भूमिकाएं निभाएंगे. Sharing the happy news on social media, Rakul wrote a post which said, "Can't express how thrilled I am to be on board, literally as a captain in Mayday. It's a dream come true to work with Amitabh Bachchan sir. Ajay Devgan, thank you and preparing for takeoff," she wrote. Sharing more details about the project in an interview, Rakul said that she is very excited to be working with Ajay Devgan again, and this time she is looking forward to working with him both as a co-actor and being directed by him. To add to her excitement, the film also has none other than the legendary Amitabh Bachchan. And speaking about the opportunity to work with him, Rakul said, "When I decided to be an actor, like all the other aspiring actors, I had a dream to work with Mr. Bachchan. And I am so glad that with this film, my dream to share screen space with him will come true." Mayday की shooting December से शुरू होगी and the movie is rumored to be a dramatic thriller. Mr. Bachchan's role in the film is being kept a secret, but we should hopefully have more details very soon. While Ajay has acted with Amit Ji in films like Khaki and Major Saab, this is the first time he will be directing Big B in a movie. Speaking about Big B's role in the film, a source added, "Mayday is a thrilling human story which Big B loved, and he agreed to be a part of the project when he got the offer from Ajay." It sounds like a very interesting project, and we can't wait to see the magic Amit Ji, Ajay and Rakul create on screen in this movie.
चलिए दोस्तों, अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere, we're coming right back.
What does this cake say? Congratulations. Oh my god, beautiful.
If you thought Nehu Da Vyah was an expensive affair, the cost of Nehu Preet Da honeymoon will leave you completely stunned. The couple who married last month is reportedly spending almost 90,000 rupees a night at a luxurious resort in Dubai, where they are enjoying a romantic holiday. Neha and Rohanpreet made their relationship official just over a month ago, and the couple got married just 15 days later in Delhi. जहां हम शादी के सारे फंक्शंस और नेहा के डिजाइनर लहंगास की चर्चा अब तक कर रहे हैं, we were shocked to know that the couple seems to be pulling out all the stops when it comes to their honeymoon as well. According to reliable sources, Neha और Rohanpreet दुबई के शानदार hotels में रह रहे हैं, and the large suite they checked into at one of the most premier properties in Dubai could have cost them up to 90,000 rupees per night.
Weddings in India are undoubtedly an expensive affair. Neha and Rohanpreet may have married with just a few guests in attendance, but designer lehenga se lekar chariot pe entry tak, the couple and their family seem to have spared absolutely no expense at making their marriage a grand event. And like most couples, it looks like Neha and Rohanpreet also planned a fabulous honeymoon with themselves and seem to be pampering themselves thoroughly in the exotic locales of Dubai. Check it out.
Oh my god, beautiful.
Well, जहां प्यार होता है वहां क्लियरली बचत नहीं होती. The pictures of the huge room and the lavish hospitality being offered to them seems to indicate कि ये rumors सच हो सकते हैं. Neha has shared multiple pictures of beautiful decorations arranged by the hotel for the couple, जो एक दूसरे के साथ कई romantic पल बिता रहे हैं. नेहा ने अपने पोस्ट में लिखा है that this is the best honeymoon and looking at their pictures we completely agree. The couple has been spending time by the beach where Rohanpreet created an I love you sign with pebbles and shells for his Nehu, or enjoying exotic drinks while lounging on deck chairs. The two were also spotted indulging in some PDA under a beautiful canopy created in the middle of a large heart drawn onto the sand by the hotel they were staying in. In the most recent pictures shared by the couple, they seem to have moved into a new luxury hotel, जहां दोनों ने फिर कई romantic pictures click किए हैं. The couple, who Neha has taken credit for styling, have shared pictures of themselves enjoying breakfast, goofing around together, with Rohanpreet putting his hand playfully on his wife's head, and a third picture of the two standing together with a beautiful backdrop from another part of the hotel. Well, here's hoping Neha and Rohanpreet have a lovely honeymoon, but more importantly, have a very happy married life.
Thank you so much.
Well, guys, with that, we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood. We will be back again tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. जाते मैं आपको remind करना चाहता हूँ to check out our Zoom Facebook page for all the updates about your favorite celebrities on the go. Well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and ciao.